This is the Simple Machine Inclined Plane Interactive Calculator, which analyzes forces, work, and efficiency for objects on ramps. The calculator has 6 calculation modes in the drop-down menu: calculate required force and mechanical advantage, calculate angle from height and length, calculate efficiency with friction, calculate ramp dimensions from angle, calculate work and energy, and calculate friction coefficient from force. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate required force and mechanical advantage. The input fields are object weight in newtons, vertical height in meters, ramp length in meters, incline angle in degrees, coefficient of friction mu, and actual force applied in newtons. Let's work through an example. I'll enter object weight 500 newtons, vertical height 2 meters, ramp length 8 meters, incline angle 15 degrees, coefficient of friction 0.15, and actual force applied 150 newtons. After clicking Calculate, the results show incline angle 14.48 degrees, mechanical advantage 4.00, ideal force with no friction 125.00 newtons, friction force 72.62 newtons, total force required 197.62 newtons, and efficiency 63.25%. This tells us the ramp reduces the required force by a factor of 4, but friction adds 72.62 newtons to our ideal force requirement. Find the link in the description below.